In this video, we're going to be looking at fractions, decimals, and percentages. And in this particular example, we're going to be writing the following as decimals. So we're converting fractions and percentages to decimals. In the first example, we have 5 divided by 100. If we want to convert this to decimal, we have to do short division. So I'm going to write my 5 inside the bus stop because that's the numerator, and my denominator I write outside the bus stop sign, which is 100. Then I start with how many 100 goes into 5. There is obviously none, so I write a 0 there. And I write a decimal point after the 0. And for that decimal point, I'm going to add a 0 to the 5 to make it 50. Then I check again, how many 100 goes into 50? None. So that's another 0 on the top. And for the next 0 I'm adding to the top, I'm going to add another 0 to the 50, making it 500. So now I'm going to check again, how many 100 goes into 500? Well, 500 divided by 100 is 5, because 5 times 100 gives me 500. Then I stop. So 5 divided by 100 converted to decimal equals 0.05. In the second example, we're asked to convert 8% into decimal. So the sign for percentage is this squiggly 0 and a dash and another 0 beneath it. A percentage means out of 100. So this means 8 out of 100. So we can rewrite 8% as 8 divided by 100. So that's 8 out of 100. Then we apply the same rule that we did when we were doing 5 over 100 to get our decimal. And we're doing these examples without using a calculator. So I'm going to write my bus stop sign with my 8, which is my numerator, inside the bus stop sign and the 100 outside of it. Then I check how many 100 goes into 8. There is none. I write a 0 and a decimal point on the top. Then I add a 0 to the 8, making it 80. Then I check again, how many 100 goes into 80? There is none, so that I write the 0 up there. And then I add another 0 to the 80, making it 800. So now I'm going to check again, how many 100 goes into 800? There are 800s in 800. So I write 8 on the top. And because I have no remainder now, I stop. So my 8% can be written as 0.08 as a decimal. And finally, we have 3/5 to convert to decimals. I'm going to write my numerator inside the bus stop, which is 3, and the denominator 5, I'm going to write outside. Then I'm going to check how many 5 goes into 3. There is none, so I write a 0 on the top and I put a decimal point. And for that decimal point, I'm going to add a 0 to the 3. Now I'm going to check again, how many 5 goes into 30? 6 times 5 gives me 30, so I'm just going to write my 6 on the top. There is no other number to divide by, and I have no other remainder, so I stop. In other words, 3/5 converted to decimal is 0.6.